Ever been in a situation where the woman you care about suddenly starts pulling away? Texts get shorter, plans get canceled, and you're left wondering, what did I do wrong? Don't panic. In this video, we'll break down exactly what to do when a woman starts acting distant and how to turn things around. Let's dive in. Number 1. Don't panic. Stay calm and assess the situation. When someone starts acting distant, the first rule is simple: don't panic. Reacting out of fear or frustration, like bombarding them with messages or demanding answers, can push them further away. Instead, take a step back and assess the situation. Is she busy with work, dealing with personal issues, or is there something deeper going on? Staying calm in moments like these shows emotional maturity and gives you the clarity to handle the situation wisely. By not overreacting, you demonstrate confidence and self-control, qualities that are inherently attractive. It also allows you to approach the situation with a clear mind, rather than making impulsive decisions. Remember, distance doesn't always mean the end. It could simply be a sign that she needs space, or is navigating her own challenges. Your ability to remain composed and understanding can make all the difference in rebuilding connection and trust. Number 2. Give her space. Respect her boundaries. If she's pulling away, the worst thing you can do is chase her. Respect her need for space. This doesn't mean ignoring her, but rather giving her the room to breathe and process her feelings. Constantly texting, calling, or demanding her attention can come off as needy and push her further away. Instead, use this time to focus on yourself, reconnect with your goals, hobbies, and passions. Work on becoming the best version of yourself. A confident man who respects boundaries is far more attractive than one who clings. By giving her space, you show emotional maturity and self-assurance, qualities that naturally draw people in. This approach not only helps you maintain your dignity, but also allows her to miss your presence. Remember, a healthy relationship is built on mutual respect and understanding, not desperation. Use this time to grow, and let your confidence speak for itself. Number 3. Reflect on your actions. Are you part of the problem? Sometimes, distance is a reaction to something we've done, often unintentional. Take a moment to reflect on your behavior. Were you too clingy, overly critical, or not attentive enough? Honest self-reflection helps you identify areas for improvement and understand how your actions may have impacted the relationship. Growth starts with self-awareness. By acknowledging your mistakes and committing to change, you not only become a better partner, but also a better version of yourself. This willingness to grow and adapt shows maturity and can help rebuild trust and connection. Remember, relationships thrive when both individuals are willing to learn and evolve together. Number 4. Reconnect with authenticity. Show genuine interest. Once you've given her space and reflected on your actions, it's time to reconnect. But authentically, show genuine interest in her well-being without being accusatory or demanding. A simple, heartfelt message like, "I've been thinking about you. How are you?" can open the door to honest communication. This approach demonstrates empathy and care, making her feel valued rather than pressured. Authenticity is key. Avoid overthinking or playing games. By reaching out with sincerity, you create a safe space for her to share her feelings. This paves the way for rebuilding trust and strengthening your connection in a meaningful way. Number 5. Focus on yourself. Become the best version of you. While addressing the situation is important, don't lose sight of your own growth. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Pursue your goals, nurture your passions, and invest in self-improvement. Whether she comes back or not, you'll emerge stronger, more confident, and more attractive. A man who values himself and prioritizes his growth naturally becomes someone others want to be around. Confidence and self-respect are magnetic qualities that draw people in. By focusing on your own journey, you not only handle the situation with grace, but also ensure that you're prepared for whatever comes next, with or without her. When a woman starts acting distant, it's not the end of the world. By staying calm, giving her space, reflecting on your actions, reconnecting authentically, and focusing on yourself, you can navigate the situation with confidence and grace. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs it. Remember, the best relationships are built on mutual respect and growth. See you in the next video.